Welcome to the TDR stand here at Electronica. Delighted to be joined by Tuomo Rekila.
Yes.
Nice to see you again, Tuomo.
Nice to see you, Trevor, again.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Now, you've got a new company here that you're starting called TDR, which is a test solutions company, which is...
It's the test and repair solutions. That's what we basically do.
Okay. But, you know, a lot of the issues that you get with testing is, you know, is expensive test fixturing, etc., etc. But you've come out with a system that will connect through the internet to servers that have all the brains on the server. So it's really a remote testing service.
It's really remote testing, and in addition to that, it can provide you the information what is broken. Okay. So it's two steps. One is the testing, and the second one is the providing what is the failure rate at the device.
Okay. So just how do you create the interface in between the device under test?
There is a certain fixtures which are locating in a customer's locations, and then there's you know, they can be adapters or whatever. It depends on how many devices you want to test. So it's a piece of hardware, and then the adapters and the fixtures.
So they still have to pay for the fixturing and adapters, obviously, for each different device
Yes,
test.
of course, yeah, because the variation can be so high.
Right. Okay. But then, so the argument here is you've got more sophisticated information on your servers that you can do a more in-depth test and bring more capability to it.
Absolutely, all the brains are in our server, in our location. And basically the other part is the dummy part, if you can say that.
Dummy part. Okay. So, you know, you said off camera that you actually provide the interface free of charge to your customers.
Correct.
How does that work?
We then, of course, we have to charge for all the testing and the repair data that we are sending. So all the information that we are sending back to customer has a certain price.
I see. So do they subscribe to the service, or is it just a one-off fee that they pay?
It is a monthly fee, but then all the testing and repair data that are sending that will have its own cost as well.
Right.
So if you are testing, let's say a power supply unit, then that will have a cost, which is the same cost if you are testing the radio. That will have the same cost. All the information is the same price.
And so the current systems that you've been working with and successfully testing with are essentially mobile or cell phone systems at the moment?
Yeah, well, it's from the base station up to the fixed networks. Okay. So that's where we are working with it.
Okay. Do you see yourself expanding that as you go forward?
This system allows to do everything. So, but we have to start somewhere, so this is where we are starting from.
Okay. Well, Tuomo, thank you very much for showing us your system, and I wish you every success with it.
Thank you. Same to you. Thanks.